Hi everyone. So we continue the price formula. So example 2. A 10-year bond with 6% coupons paid semi-annually is sold at $100 and its yield rate is 4%. Determine the redemption value. So the point of this question is 6% coupons paid semi-annually. So 6% coupons it says, but actually 3% coupon is paid every half year. So the time unit is a half year. Time unit is half year, 0.5 year. So this is a 10-year bond, but actually n is equal to 20. And the coupon rate is 3% semi-annually, actually every half year. And this is sold at 100, so P is equal to 100. And also face value is 100, because when face value is not mentioned, it should be assumed as 100. Okay, so we want to calculate the redemption value C. Okay, so at first we think about I, the yield rate for time unit. Okay, so the yield rate is 4%, and this is annual rate, since it doesn't say anything about the time period. But we make the time unit as half year. So what is I? Actually, the 1 plus I should be equal to half year yield rate. So 1.04 to the half power. So this is equal to 1.0198. So that means I is equal to 1.98%. So this is the yield rate we have to use. Okay, so now we can calculate the C by price formula. So in the previous question, P is unknown, but here C is unknown. So, okay, so price formula, what should we do? Okay, so P is equal to F times R, so 100 times 0.03 coupon rate, times A right angle N, that is 20, at yield rate. Yield rate is 1.98%, and plus redemption value times yield rate to the power negative 20, so negative n. So you can solve this for C. At first, you can see that this one is actually equal to 1.04 to the power negative 10. Okay, so now we can calculate this C. Okay, so 100 is equal to, okay, so this is 3, and times this one, so this can be calculated by BA2 plus, and this is actually 49.15, then plus C times this amount, and this is actually 0.6756. So you can just solve this for C. Then C is equal to 75.27. So this is the redemption value. Okay, so redemption value is actually the smaller than 100, but it's reasonable because this bond was sold at $100. Okay, and it pays 6% coupon, but the yield rate is 4%. So it pays basically 2% more coupon than it should be. So, and it accumulates for 10 years. So that means the redemption value should be lower by that amount. So actually that becomes $75.27. Okay, so now you can do quiz 4071. Okay, see you then.